Wait, hold on, I want to watch this.
He knows I'm gonna come after his ass.
Come on.
Le-
Oh my god.
Levi, you might want to back up a little bit.
I want to see.
Don't sit right in front.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Hey, Mom, what if he jumps out at you?
I'll run and hide like a baby.
You are, but okay.
Look at Mayday. Look at Mayday. He's like, get him, daddy. Get him, daddy.
Oh my god. Ah!
Open the door!
It's okay, buddy.
God.
Chill out. Chill out. Go to your room, man. Quit screaming. It's fine. You can do that thing.